friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is a patriotic DIY inspiration. Our hosts are Lady D's Creations, Lady in Red Crafting, and Craft Away with Me. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist of creators giving you patriotic inspiration. Okay, we're going to cut this in half because we need 2 sticks for our project. Also going to cut this in half. Okay, and we're going to start rolling this up really tight. Try to make it even, and this thing's hard to roll. Make sure to pour hot glue over your fingernail. Glad that isn't hot glue, that's cold glue. I use a cold jeweler's glue that I found I really like because I don't burn myself anymore. It's warm to the touch, but it's not hot enough where it'll burn you. It's enough that you bring your finger back and go, ooh, yeah, but not one that'll blister you. You know that reaction because you thought you touched something hot? Okay, you make this, and we're not making cigars, but we are making a 4th of July item that I thought would be pretty fun because we're going to make a couple centerpieces. One of which is going to be a truck because my husband still likes the trucks. If you're over the trucks, I'm sorry. I'll apologize for my husband. He still loves them. And every time we see a truck at a thrift store or whatever, he will still pick them up. So that's exactly what he did this time. And I'm going to redo it for 4th of July. And I want to rip this because I want it to be a rough, a not pretty edge. I want it to be kind of a rough edge. Now I'm going to add a little bit of 4th of July ribbon. I'm going to add some tails. Okay, now I'm going to shove this up in. I'm going to glue this, put some glue in. Then I'm going to shove this ribbon up in the end of this. Just like that, just like so. And now I'm going to wrap this around there. And you have tails. Get some wire and wrap it around our stick. And I didn't put my stick up in there. What was I thinking? That's right, I wasn't. Okay, now I'm going to add some glue. Okay, now let's fold this up around. And that's our wick. There we go. There is our firework. Okay, this one, I ripped it a little too short. I'll show you what to do if you rip it too short. Because, you know, we all make mistakes. And sometimes our things doesn't go the way we plan. And we got to do a different thing. So all I'm doing is I'm going to add, well, no, I'm going to trim that off. Looks like I got a little paint on that ribbon. I'm going to add a piece of ribbon down through here and have it have a tail. Then I'm going to continue to add tails at the bottom. And my dog's barking at the wind. And there isn't even that much wind. Poor guy can't see, so I guess what more do you have to do when you can't see anything? Okay, where's my stick? There we go. Oh, get up here. Oh, by the way, I live out in the middle of nowhere. He could bark at the wind all day if he wanted to. Now I'm going to just trim that a little bit. Now I'm going to add my what is it, fuse for a little firework. Fold, glue that and fold that back. I don't know where, I think I got these at Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and they have 3 sizes of stars. Which I thought would be great for 4th of July. So I'm going to do red, white, and blue out by painting this star red. And then I'm going to the next, and I'm going to do blue. And the next one will be white. Okay, here is our stars we painted, and we're gonna put them together. Okay, here is our truck that my husband bought. And of course, it's already decorated for fall. He did such a good job. Let's change this out and make it 4th of July. See how make it 4th of July. So we'll get rid of these sunflowers. I don't know, I'm getting rid of this too. I don't like that well. Guess I can keep those. I'm gonna start by add some roses. Oh, he popped off. And I have a lot of blue. So. Okay, now let's add our fireworks. I'm gonna add them coming out the back. Like so. Then we got these stars, and I don't know, I may add them right there between the white flowers. Have the stars coming out of there. Like that. That'll work. See? that's how it turned out. Okay, I got this container and a bunch of flowers I got last year from Temu. Let's try to make it look pretty for my mantle. I don't even know how these go. I know some of the American flags were backwards, so I had to bend them over. See, they were upside down, so I had to bend them over to make them right side up, which is kind of weird. Okay, then I got these. I thought these would make a neat filler for in between. Those. There. You just need to adjust it so they're not all on one side. Kind of spread them out a little. It's not. Okay, here's our truck arrangements with our fireworks and our stars in it. And it was a thrift store flying, so it's a thrift flip of our truck. Tell me what you think. We are just starting our mantle. This is another DIY I did before. This is our simple Patriotic water can. Tell me what you think.